Good morning! You're about to call in sick.
Yeah.
Yo, so what are we doing today, Grant? What's the plan?
I just woke up. Apparently we're going to shred the gnar.
We're about to go shred the gnar. Gnar, bro. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Man, you were just giving me all the love today, huh? Hello! Hello! Shout out to my cousin Caleb for getting me a model car. I've literally never had a model car before. You get to build this yourself. How sick is that gonna be? But I cannot wait to throw this bad boy together. Thanks, cuz. I love you, man. One thing in AZ, you guys, is you always need to start your car like 15 minutes before you get in it because it feels like you're stepping into a cold refrigerator. Hi! Oh my goodness, what's up, dude? What's up?
What's up, Vice News? Welcome to my crib.
This is not Vice, this is MTV. I actually shoot for MTV and TMZ. Can we reshoot that? Do TMZ and MTV retake. Ready and action.
What's up, TMZ and Vice crap?
Yo, we made it out here. Right now, we're actually out by a canal. Pretty legit little place. Grant's about to do some gnarly wheelies. Some gnarly wheelies. And even drifts, bro. You see some killer stuff, bro.
I can't wheelie. Hey, I found 2 nickels. Wait, no. I found 2 dimes and a nickel. I put them on that rock. So if anyone comes out here, so I'm about to get hit by Levi. But here we go.
Well, little mishap happened. The Get-A-Mobile over here decided to, you know, just break a little chain on us. I brought this extension rope for my hammock, but we're not using the hammock. We're using it for.
We're just gonna sit at the hammock and chill.
I was gonna hang out with Tyler when I was back in Peoria, but I decided to come home. Then I came home and he called me right as I got back home and was like, yo, let's hang out. So we're going to hang out right now. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. I'm actually really tired. I've been gone all day. But another day, another adventure. Oh, that is so pretty. So we finished the hike. Worst hike ever. Me and Tyler ended up getting lost and we couldn't find each other and it sucked, but we found each other now and we're gonna go get a drink in Circle K because we are so thirsty. The camera's like barely balancing. Okay. Thanks for watching the vlog. I will see you guys in tomorrow's episode of Life with this guy, Levi.